Student, I hope you all are doing well, and today I am going to discuss with you use of decimals. And today the first one is how to use decimal in the form of money. Okay, use of decimal can be in the form of matrix, but today we will discuss about money. Okay, now the first one is, we know that in 1 rupee, in 1 rupee, how many paise are there? There are 100 paise, right? But when we talk about it, that in 1 paisa, how many rupees are there? That will be 1 upon 100. Okay, because 1 is greater number and paisa is the part of rupee. So when we find a lower term, we divide by larger term. Okay, and when we find larger term, we multiply by the lower term. Now if you given like this, if you given 25 paisa, okay, you have given 25 paise and you have to convert it into rupees. The question is 25 paise convert into rupees. So how we will do? 25 paisa, first of all we write in 1 paisa there are 100, 1 upon 100 rupees. In 1 paisa there are 1 upon 100 rupees. So in 25 paisa, again in 25 paisa divide by 100, divide this term by 100. So we know that if our denominator carry 20, that became 2 decimal place. We have to put decimal after 2 digit. Sorry, not after, before 2 digit. Okay. On the left of the digit. Okay. If you given like 8 paisa, 8 paise convert into rupees. Okay, rupees. So how can we convert it? We know that in 1 paisa there is 1 upon 100 rupee. So it means in 8 paisa, it became 8 upon 100 rupees, right? So when we divide this number by 100, when we divide 8 by 100, it became 8, but you have given 20, it means 2 decimal place, then put 10 on the left side of your digit, put decimal. Okay, so your answer will be this, rupees 0.08. In 8 paisa you have 0.08 rupees. Okay, if you have given like this, like you have given 863 paisa, there can be many type of question. So if you given 863 paisa and ask you to convert this paise into rupees, so how will you solve this? You divide this number again. You know that in 1 paisa there are 1 upon 100 rupees. So 863 paisa became 863 upon 100. That means left 3 digit, put 1 decimal, because you have given 20. So from the left you put decimal after 2 digit. Okay, so in 863 paise, how many rupees? 8 rupees 63 paisa. If you have given question like this, okay, maybe it won't be the different type, that is 735 rupees 80 paise, and the question is, write these numbers in the figure form. You make a figure of it. So we know that this is rupees, 735 rupees. but when we write in one figure, we have to convert this paise into rupees. So in 80 paisa, divide by what? Upon 100. If you don't want to put decimal, so before it you can do like this: 35 and 80 upon 100. So you know that if you given in denominator 20, you put a decimal before 2 digit. Okay, so your answer became this. You can convert this number 735 rupees 80 paisa into 730.80. This one be your figure. Now these complete term in the form of rupees. Okay, so you have complete your exercise. Do like this, because in some question you have given convert into rupees, in some question you may be given in convert paisa into rupees or rupees into paisa. I have already discussed with you how to convert paisa into rupees and rupee into paisa. Thank you.